Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your color video into grayscale. I will show you in 3 different ways. The first method, open the effect room in PowerDirector and search for grayscale effects that were installed by default with the PowerDirector. Search for grayscale effect in color effects palette. It looks like this is the only shade of gray we have. Its name is Silent Era. Drag on the video, let's play it. Great, now if you click on this info icon here and check the color preset settings, you can see that we cannot change anything in the shades of the preset, so delete the effect with this little minus icon here. The second option to change the colors of the video to grayscale is to use an effect pack from Cyberlink. Using the application manager, select the effect pack section. Then set the filter to see only the effects made for the PowerDirector and thus not yet installed. As you can see, the second pack is just a black and white LUTs pack. Click on Install button to install the package. If we look at the rest of items in the list, we find no other grayscale LUTs package. As you can see, the newly installed LUTs pack can be found in a separate section inside Color LUTs. There are 12 black and white color grading effects. In the preview mode, you can see how the colors of our video change based on my selection. Let's try some effects from this package as well. The third option to create grayscale video is to use the ColorDirector. Right-click to open the clip context menu, then in the Edit Video menu, select the Edit in ColorDirector menu option. A window warns you that all applied effects will be ignored, for example that crop I used. No problem, I just need a color effect, so hit yes. Now you see the ColorDirector user interface. By clicking on this little icon, we can change our color video to grayscale. The ColorDirector tries to set the best grayscale settings automatically. If the automatic setting is not okay for us, we can use these options here what the program offers. We will not go through these settings now as the video will be very long. You can adjust the white balance, selecting the whitest pixel possible. And we can adjust the color tone if we wish. Using these sliders here. Alternatively, you can use the wizard. This made the shades of our video a little more vivid. Now use this small back arrow to reset the settings in the tone section at once, so you don't have to reset the sliders one by one. Finally, clicking the back button takes me back to the PowerDirector. The grayscale effect edited in the ColorDirector will be applied to the video. If we now look at the settings by clicking on the info icon, we cannot adjust anything on the effect. Close the window with the X button above, and if we now try to find our grayscale effect in the effect folders, we aren't successful. It's nowhere. So if we want to use the effect again, we cannot. Now delete the effect from the video. Then reopen the ColorDirector with the selected clip. Just like before, set your own color tones. When we are done, click the Create button completely below here. This allows us to save the selected color settings to an effect file or as a preset or a LUTs table. Select the preset option, give the new preset a name, for example my grayscale preset, and hit save. We have created a new preset effect, however, we still need to export this effect if we want to use it in PowerDirector. So right-click to open the context menu on our preset and select the export option. Give your file a name and save it. At the end, use the back button to go back to the PowerDirector. Create a new tag, name it My Effects, for example. Here we will import the preset exported from the ColorDirector. Select this folder so you don't have to search where we imported it randomly. Click the import icon and select the file that contains the preset. After successful import, the grayscale effects appears in the folder My Effects. Drag the effect onto the clip and we are done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more and see you in the next time. Bye. Thank you.